put it on, I'm gonna say taste buds. When I put that shit on the shirt, I'm gonna say taste bud approved. Taste buds approved blue stuff. That's gonna be part of the shirt. Jesus Christ, that's gonna be thick. Oh! Oh shit, hold up, y'all. Y'all know I fuck with Gundam, right? Bro, I actually fuck with this game. Oh, here you go. Bro, this game is fucking sick. Master Asia? Bro, look at these fucking attacks, bro. Have you not seen this? Yo, Gamble, I got this shit right now. Bro, that's how you know Gundam games are going to the next level. They got animations in the game. Like fucking in-game while you're fighting animations. You can transform into ships and shit. And it's 2v2. Oh, no. Damn! Bro, when you get robots doing martial arts, that's the next level, man. Yeah, this game is sick. Trust me, y'all gonna tune in one day and y'all gonna be like, yo, this dude Steve is playing Gundam. Yo, Gamble, I have this shit right now. I've been playing this shit. I'm not even joking. I'm looking for I'm trying to see which other Gundam I'm actually gonna learn. I'm thinking about learning a Stray.
Oh my god.
Yeah, every Gundam that you can think of. Yo, I heard this game is sick. I'm trying to, dude. I need somebody. I need to go to a fucking ninja village so I can learn Kagebushin, so I can play every game that I want to, bro. I want to play this shit, bro. My dude got one tooth. Come, bro. Y'all gonna tell me this shit ain't sick? If you don't know what this is, if I'm telling you it's sick, I promise you. Look how anime this shit is. Yo, the Hulk! Come on, dog. Did you see the mullet on my man? Look at the mullet. That motherfucker look like a ponytail. You see this? He actually looks like a pony. Did you see the black dude with the blue highlights? Tigers? Oh, bro, bro, this shit is like you remember the soccer movie? Shaolin Soccer? Bro, did you see the double clash in the air? How the fuck are you clashing in a soccer game? Do you hear bro, the song alone is actually cheap. Yo, you know my man mean business. He had the sleeves rolled up on the jersey. Look, I don't even fuck with soccer. Don't Get Chip says, I don't even fuck with soccer and I will play it. Yo, I'm actually kind of, look. Yeah, I think this is only on Xbox too. I think this game is only on Xbox Series X or some shit, actually. And I'm kind of hype about it. Yo, F Daddy Bay, you getting gifted by Gilly to toss himself? Yo, can we get some noise? And if you got that gift sub, F Daddy Bay, you got to make some noise. Use your newfound bead powers to make some noise in the chat to show love. I'm pretty sure this game is on Xbox Series X or some crazy shit. You said rapid evacuations? Xbox Series X, Scarlet Nexus. I'll be lying if I said I wasn't a little interested. I want to see what this is about. Yeah, Xbox Series X, Xbox One. Wow. I got baited.
Alright, we're back. Hope you guys enjoyed some of those promotional videos for those new games.
Bro, Gundam though. Y'all think I'm playing. If you fuck with robots fighting, fucking Gundams.
In Japan, when I went to Japan for EVO, and I actually wanted to try it out, but I never got the chance.
That game is fucking sick. Yeah, I'm trying to tell y'all, bro.
I think it's some sort of like arena style fighting game. Have you played this, CBM?
No, I haven't tried, but I saw lots of players.
Bro, I have
enjoying
videos
the
on my
game
phone
Gundam.
from Japan when we're in arcades and the
I
Gundam
would
machines
try,
are
but
always
I
packed.
didn't
They're
know how the
always
system
packed.
Yeah, it's one of
I
those games where
couldn't.
you go
Listen.
look at it. Like I remember in the arcades, it was kind of intimidating at first because I saw it and there's all these systems and you have the arcade controls and everything, but like it was like if I put my coins in, am I just gonna watch my character get killed? And
Yes,
but I mean
because that can
now,
happen.
it's available,
They got team
for
strategies,
console,
bro.
and you can
Like you'd be like, yeah, it's
play the
2v2. I know exactly what I'm doing, bro. It'd be
And,
little kids in
and yeah,
Japan
that was one game that
rolling
really
people the
stuck out
fuck up.
to me.
Like on
But
some
yeah,
bait and
we're gonna
switch, you think you know
continue
what's
on
happening,
to
and
the
the
final
matchups
games,
are
but,
even
before
more
that, make sure
technical
to
in that
check
game
the
because each
Floodlight,
Gundam has different
Fury
shit. Oh man, that
for
game is
Tekken
fun,
7.
dude.